How to turn SmartThings customization on and off on Android. This tutorial walks you through where to find this setting and what it means for your connected devices. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then, scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, find SmartThings from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. When turned on, SmartThings uses your usage patterns and connected device activity to offer more personalized automation suggestions, like recommending routines based on how and when you interact with your smart home devices. From here, it builds a better picture of your environment over time, making your smart home feel more responsive and in tune with your daily life. Moving on, turning it off stops SmartThings from using your activity data to tailor those suggestions. All your existing automations, connected devices, and routines will continue running without any interruption. Finally, the toggle takes effect right away, so everything is updated as soon as you switch it. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.